So in this video, I'm going to be comparing these two eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to let you know if this eyeshadow palette has the same consistency as this one. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I post a new video. So in today's video, you guys, we are going to be using the Murillo Twins Times Beauty Creations eyeshadow palette. This one here is by Briana. If you guys haven't already seen my previous video on the Brittany palette, I will link it right here so you guys can go check it out. I accidentally ordered the wrong palette when I ordered the Brittany palette. I did not mean to order that one. I wanted to order this one here. And so it has a little emblem that I was telling you guys about, and in the back it says Briana Murillo. It's her little signature. And girl, can we just appreciate how beautiful she looks in this photo? Wow. So these eyeshadow palettes are cruelty free and the shelf life is 24 months. Alright, so this is what she looks like. These are the colors I was looking for and going for in my last tutorial. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and did the swatches right here. You can barely see the first one. Let me just show you a little bit closer. My skin is very pale, just like the color. So the one that you can barely see is called Double Vision. The pink shimmer one is Da Bomb. And the gold shimmer glitter is called It's Lit. And then this hot pink one right here is called Turn the Fuck Up. Alright, so this top pink one right here is called Vibes, but you can't really see it on my skin tone. Let me try to... You see it? It has a pink undertone. And then the gold one, the gold shimmer is called Juicy. And then this one right here is called All Good. And then this one right here is such a perfect color for transition. It is called OMG. These swatches definitely came out better, you guys. I'm so sorry. This one right here is called Hustle. This one right here is called Like What the Fuck. This one right here is called Number 25, and this one is called Bay. These are so freaking pretty. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in so you guys can get a little closer look at what I'm going to be doing today. For eyeshadow primer, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer, and I wanted to use this one because the payoff is very white and pale, and I wanted to see the pigmentation of these shadows. I wanted to see if they apply the pigmentation as they are in the palette. So the other palette that I used had lots of fallout, which is why I decided to do my eyeshadow first. I mean, I normally do my eyeshadow first unless I'm doing a natural look. Then I'll do my face if I know the palette's not gonna have fallout. There's no right or wrong way to do your makeup. You just go as you feel. Okay, so I think we're gonna go in with Bay, and it is a matte shadow, but it has a little bit of sparkle in it, not too much, so I'm hoping it won't come up. So you can definitely see that this shadow is super pigmented. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend this shadow out. That one had quite a bit of kickback, like the darker brown shade in the other eyeshadow palette I showed you guys. For me, kickback doesn't bother me at all, so I'm not bothered by it. So next I'm going to go in with the shade Number 25. So as you guys can see, it blended very nicely. There is no patches, no patchiness. I'm just going to go back in with the color Bay just to define it more. I kind of blended the shade out as I was applying the other shade. Okay, that definitely looks so good. Okay, for the last shade, which is gonna be our transition shade, which normally people do that first, but right now I'm getting a little bit more detailed in the look, so I'm going in with smaller detailing brushes. So now I'm picking up the color Like WTF, like what the fuck. I'm just gonna apply that under my brow bone to give it a smooth transition. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease off camera, and then I'll be back so we don't waste a lot of time. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and cut my crease off camera. I gave myself a little bit of a cleaner crease than I normally would. Trying this new technique with Vaseline. I'm going to set my eyes using the shade Double Vision. It is the white shade in the palette, and I am just going to set this. So we're basically just going to be using this whole bottom row today because of the colors that I'm wearing. And it's late, you guys. I know you guys, you're always probably like, dude, you're always filming late. Yes, I film late at night. So I'm just going to go ahead and give myself a wing with this shadow. Then I'm going to be picking up the number 25. And we're just going to blend that out right here. And we're also going to pick up like WTF. And I'm going to apply it up here. And because we blended this shade out, we have to add more. So I'm going to pick up my P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 3. And I'm going to clean up the ends right here just so it could look more clean and whatnot. I made my brush super flat. And I am going to just clean it up. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my concealer brush and blend this out. You see that? How clean it looks. So I'm going to pick up the NYX glitter glue. Alright babes, so I'm going to go in the color Hustle, which I think it is the same formula as that purple shade in my last tutorial I was telling you guys about. Oh wow, okay, that looks very pretty. Again, I'm going to go in with my finger. Yeah, I definitely feel like the payoff isn't coming out as well as I expected it to. I was hoping the formula would be a little bit different, but it actually feels the same consistency. So now I'm just gonna go in with the glitter, and this one, it's the gold one. I'm gonna apply that right here over that shade. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye off camera and do the rest of my face off camera, you guys, and then I'll be back with all the details. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and finished the look off camera. If you guys want to see the entire look, I did film it on TikTok, so I'll leave the link in the description down below so you guys can follow me and check it out. This is the look that I came up with. I think it looks so good. And I really love the color scheme in that palette. I really love the color scheme in Briana's palette more than I do this one, just because this one is more wearable. I was also able to use this shade as my highlighter, and I think it looks so bomb as a highlighter. As far as the consistencies between the two palettes, you guys, I think they are the same. These colors definitely have indents in them. You can tell all three of them I did use. The pigmentation did not, unfortunately, pick up the way it does in the pot, which is actually so sad because these colors are beautiful. And if they did pick up the way that they are in the pot, then they would be amazing. So again, I give this palette a 7 out of 10 only because of those inconsistencies, you guys. It makes me so sad. Yeah, you guys, my kids are home now. They just got home from karate, so it's gonna be pretty noisy now. So I'm gonna end this video here, but if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the post notifications on. That way you can get notified every single time I post a new video. And until next time, guys, bye.